Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur, Joykumar Singh Yumnam, on Wednesday campaigned in South Garo Hills region of the state to drum up support for NPP candidates. Addressing an election meeting at Deku Bazar, he recalled the contribution of late P.A. Sangma in Indian politics and stated that the people of Garo Hills were lucky to have been blessed by an iconic politician in P.A. Sangma, who is accorded highly in the country. Talking about the ideology of the party to work for the welfare of the indigenous people, minorities and the weaker section of the society, he said that NPP as a party works to be the voice of the people of this region. He further said that regional parties have very limited role and it was important for the people to realize the fact and vote for a party that has a bigger role to play for the common interest of the region. He told the gathering that NPP is working across Northeast to unite the voice of the people and to make the region loud and clear.
Regional party particularly is confined only to a particular area, to a particular state. It has no future. And it is many a time what happens is that a regional party becomes so much concerned about its own area. Sometimes it becomes a problem for people to unite. We did have in Manipur a regional party, MPP, Manipur People's Party. Over the years, people understood that that sort of party would never be able to bring the Northeast together. And today, of course, at one time, MPP also ruled money in Manipur. We had Chief Minister from MPP. But over the years, now people are more educated, people understand our requirement and all this. MPP has been totally wiped out. And let me tell you that in the next 10, 15 years, there will be no MLA from MPP in Manipur. MPP, that's what I said. Not NPP. So that is the sort of thing. I have lots of sympathy for a regional party like this GNC. It must have its own objective. But from my experience, from what I've seen, is that small regional party can play very little role in bringing about development, in bringing about understanding and cooperation among the people.